Black families have been homeschooling for decades, but not until 2020, during the onset of the global pandemic COVID-19, did homeschooling in the Black community become part of the national conversation. We've heard terminology such as pods and virtual learning being used when referencing homeschooling, but what exactly is homeschooling? Many think that it is when you are replicating a traditional school environment within your home, but you would be surprised to learn what all the possibilities are when you homeschool. From Thursday, July 14th to Saturday, July 16th, join homeschooling mother and educational researcher Dr. Khadijah Ali-Coleman, co-editor of the book Homeschooling Black Children in the U.S., Theory, Practice, and Popular Culture, as she hosts the 3rd Annual Black Family Homeschool Educators and Scholars Virtual Teach-In. During the teach-in, meet more than a dozen Black parents who homeschool as they share tips and insight into their homeschooling practice and have your questions answered and engage in discussion. Tickets are limited for this event. Register today.